Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. This is a post review of my completed square drill diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots Autumn Wolf. This kit is a part of the first square drill diamond painting edition from Diamond Dots. For years, Diamond Dots were manufacturing kits with round drills only. And last month, the square drill kits were released. I personally prefer square drills to round ones, and I was very eager to try it. I'm still in search of the company that manufactures perfect square drills diamond painting kits. So, the kit was purchased at Joann's for $25. The original price was around $42. The size of the design is a non-standard 57 by 42 centimeters or 22 by 16.54 inches. The kit includes 34 colors, One of them is AB, precisely the white one, of a very high quality. The canvas is a woven polyester with a poured glue on it. This company has the best quality square drills. Amazing, the highest quality. And look at the sparkle. It actually reminds me of Dreamer Design sparkle, also very unique and very intense. But the diamonds themselves are of a superior quality. Amazing. Look at this beautiful sparkle. They differ a lot from the ones I worked with before, especially the AliExpress ones. I would say they're kind of they feel and look thicker and taller and more faceted. Maybe that is why the shine and shimmer is so intense. Look at this. And it sparkles way more than on the camera. Great. I did a very minor modification by replacing square drills with round crystals on the wolf eyes. And I really like it. Although I'm not a fan of animals in diamond paintings, I really enjoyed the diamond painting experience and I love the result. The design is very well worked through and it appears to be super detailed. Oh well, no wonder, that Diamond Dots has its team of artists that is working on each design. That's why they turned out, all the designs turn out to be very detailed. Although there is still gapping, you can see it very clearly, minor, but it is present, minor gapping. At this point, DPF from AliExpress works best gapping wise. Here is the Diamond Dots, so you can still see gapping clearly. Although again, it is minor, you have to look at it very closely to notice the gapping. When you look at the diamond painting from the distance, you will not see this gapping issue whatsoever. For instance, like this. So since it is the first Square Drill Diamond Painting edition, I really hope that Diamond Dots will work on it and improve this gapping issue, because in reality it needs a very, very minor correction. Other than that, it looks perfect, even with gapping. You decide yourself whether you like it or not, whether it's worth buying or not, but I do not regret purchasing it. Thank you and see you soon.